That's a two-man work platform. I had to change an engine one time on one aircraft while we were on the road, and it's about 3 hours. Thank you, Mike. As I mentioned before, all of the fuel is contained in this sponge. From here to here. And because the main structure supports the landing gear, if you impact with the gear down, it helps to break all of this off. The aircraft has 4 emergency exits from the cabin. The main door, and this emergency exit here, one on the opposite side, and then a forward sliding window. As I mentioned, this aircraft has the standard icing protection system. But as the option, you have the heated rotor blades. Let's walk around. To get them out. How much is the fuel in one tank? It's, I don't know my liters, 720 gallons.
7200 gallon. It's about 5,200 pounds.
5,200 pounds.
It's about 3,000 liters.
Okay. One of the things that I didn't mention during the brief, but is important for search and rescue, especially over water. This is a flotation kit. So there's a float bag here. And then one's up by the nose on the lower. And these are designed to keep the aircraft upright on the surface of the water. In rough seas. And in fact, we have an option for another extended kit. That'll pretty much keep the helicopter upright in a hurricane. It's pretty cool. One of the nice points also is the ease of access to loading cargo or personnel. Through this ramp. And you can see from the ramp, if you want to come in here. This is our utility interior, and it's very easy to reconfigure it. So at any given time, we can quickly take out seats. For example, and put in up to 3 more litters. Or we can take everything out and put it in for cargo. Because it's all designed to be very easily and quickly reconfigured. Okay, you can see we have 183 centimeters. The same width. And it's about, I don't know my meters, about 20 feet long or so. The kind of international crew for a SAR aircraft like this is 4. A pilot, co-pilot, FLIR operator, hoist operator.
És egy kutatómentő változatnak 4 fős a személyzete, 2 pilóta, egy FLIR kezelő és egy csörlőkezelő.
And you can see the FLIR operator has a station here.
Ott van a FLIR kezelőnek a munkahelye.
And has controls for the FLIR and the searchlight.
És azzal tudja kezelni a FLIR-t és a kutatólámpát.
The FLIR video is presented here.
Itt látható a FLIR-nek a képernyője, meg ott is.
And to the cockpit.
És a pilóta fülkében is.
And if you happen to not have an operator, then you can just easily work it from the left seat.
És azt előre tudja adni a pilótának, hogy ő is tudja kezelni. Hogyha nincs külön kezelő itt hátul.
I think that's about it inside. So I think what we'll do, are you going to fly first? Would you like to fly? Yes? Yeah. Okay. So we'll put this, the second pilot is?
Him.
we'll put you here. Okay. And then that way what we'll do is everybody else can get in the back, strap in. We'll take off, we'll do some flying.
Tehát, hogy akkor felszállsz, repülsz vele. Mindenki másnak itt hátul.
Mi megnézzük, majd onnan.
And then we'll come back, and anybody who wants to get out can, or you can stay in. We'll swap pilots.
És le fognak szállni, és akkor ha valaki ki akar szállni, az kiszállhat, és akkor csere lesz.
And then you can fly for a bit. We'll call it done.
Yeah, okay.
Okay?
Yes.
Good. Instrument,
Tehát a műszak,
engine,
tehát a paraméterek,
pressures, temperatures, health, the
tehát
humps,
ez a monitorrendszer, ami ellenőrzi a gépet.
and a utility page, which is where we do our hit check,
Tehát
health check for the engines,
amikor ellenőrzik ajtóművet, az annak
and also where we track and balance the rotor.
és az meg a rotornak az ellenőrzésére a egyensúlyát.
And any one of these displays can display anything.
És bármilyen monitoron bármilyen információt, tehát bár lehet cserélgetni.
These are the flight director panels
Az a Flight Director,
that control the autopilot mode.
ami a robotpilótát vezérli.
These are radio,
A rádiók,
controls and tuning,
a beállítás,
FMS.
a FMS,
We have integrated inertial nav with GPS.
inerciális és GPS navigáció is van a géphez.
And then this is the AFCS flight control panel.
Ez a kontrollpanelja,
The engines are completely digitally controlled.
a hajtóművek teljesen digitálisan vezéreltek,
And in fact, these aren't connected to anything.
tehát hogy ez nem kapcsolódik ki konkrétan a hajtóműhöz.
So it's all automatic. It's all self-protected.
Minden automatikusan működik.
So, all right, that's the basics. And
Ez az általános alapinformáció.
we have a lot of grass here, and so the guys were saying that they're complaining to me because they have to clean it at night. So what we'll do is we'll kind of quickly go.
Tehát, hogy mivel sok a fű, ezért és nagyon tele lett tegnap a gép fűvel, ez egy gyors felszállás, és akkor
And then
utána,
I'll give you and then you can fly
és
on.
akkor utána ő felszáll, kifordul, és akkor átadja a
So otherwise they'll yell at me again.
Yeah.